ចាសូមជម្រាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានិងរៀបជម្រាបសួរឯកឧត្តមអស់លោកលោកស្រីនាងកញ្ញានិងបងប្អូនកុមារាកុមារីទាំងអស់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធី ASEAN Pacific ឆ្នាំ2018នៅលើទឹកដីអង្គរយើងនេះហើយនាងខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានឹងទទួលភាពរីករាយនៅលើទឹកដីអង្គរយើងទាំងអស់គ្នានេះផងដែរនិងសូមជូនពរឲ្យទាំងអស់គ្នាទទួលបានជោគជ័យសិរីសួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាជានិច្ចការផងដែរចាសូមអរគុណ
Welcome everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Cambodia. We hope you enjoy this festival and get to learn more about our culture and meet new friends. Thank you, Ms. Lian Ye. Next, we would like to welcome our first speaker, Ms. Emily Lee from Hong Kong, to share a few words on community arts. Ms. Emily is the founder of Hong Kong Handbell Academy. She's very passionate about bringing music into the community. She has initiated various community projects and set up various ensemble groups in churches, schools, senior homes, and special needs center. Let's welcome her on stage.
Well, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Greetings from Hong Kong. I'm Emily Lee from Hong Kong, and this is my third APAF, but my first visit to Cambodia. I enjoyed so much last night eating all the Cambodian food and walking the night market. I'm sure you feel the same as well. I am a handbell musician. So what is handbells? Handbells is originated from England, the church bell tower 200 years ago. It is a musical instrument that provides an opportunity for people to make music together through very close cooperation. I used to be a pianist all my life until this bell came into my life in 1986. I'm so obsessed with this instrument and it now becomes my profession. I love working with young people and see their life transformation through handbell ringing. Each single bell has a unique size and pitch. One handbell alone is not so special. But when a group of people pick up the bells and ring together, magical things will happen. Now just imagine yourself, each of you representing one single note. Here in my hand, I have three notes. So you choose one. You can either be re, or you can be do. So imagine you are ringing one of the bells, and let me play a tune for you. You all know this. I'm sure you will love the sound from bells. Every time when bell rings, magical things happen because beautiful piece of music will sound. Not only the listener will enjoy this sound from the bells, but the people who ring the bells will indulge in a harmonious ensemble and feel the pleasure that cannot be put into words. We all wish to live in a harmonious and supporting community. Believe it or not, handbell ringers from the ensemble usually become lifelong friends, and they keep supporting each other even when they stop ringing. I like to use handbell as a metaphor of life too. Every single life on earth is a unique creation, having its own mission and experience on earth. Everyone can ring is the motto of my academy. I believe everyone, no matter what age, what backgrounds, what abilities, should be able to experience the joy of music making and the pleasure of being connected with each other. Our students age from 3 years old to 80 years old. Our ringers play in schools, churches, community, senior homes, special needs center, and even families. Children who are regarded as no music talents found satisfaction and self-confidence in participating in a handbell ensemble. And those with learning difficulties show positive improvement in their academic works. And arts belongs to everyone in the community, and it brings people together with no barrier. Taking part in arts will help us build up integration between people with different abilities. Whenever we perform, we are connecting to our audience. We may bring them joy, we may bring them tears. No matter what, our performance will touch their hearts and bring changes without questions. Music brings me around the world, open my eyes to different cultures, build friendship, and spread the message of peace to different communities. I feel grateful to be a part of APAF because it has brought me to a new territories on this planet, like this place, Cambodia, which is not too far from home, but yet I know so little about it. I surely believe everyone in this room has your own gifts and talents in arts. I want to thank all the teachers and parents because you bring your students and children here to make changes. Let's inspire with each other with your music and dance these 2 days, and let this journey carry on when you go home. And that's the essence of coming to this festival. So enjoy the stage and experience the changes. Thank you very much.